Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? So someone is asking me where and how I'm getting those gems that I'm posting in my channel. So there's so many ways for you to get cards, action figures, memorabilia. So you just need to be creative and well, mainly you need to have money. So money is the big, big problem that you may have when starting a hobby or collection. So the items, it's really accessible anywhere. Basta may internet ka. Then sellers, marami rin yan. Pero you just need to be mindful if authentic, if hindi sila sobrang dikit sa SRP kasi talagang pag reseller above SRP yan. Then third is if yung seller is someone na pwede mong maging katransact in the long run. Yun yung maganda. So, going back, so here's how I'm doing my hunts. Well, online, if hindi meetups or from events. So, sample natin is this Lolo Lebron 4,000 points tops card. So, this particular card is rare na siya. Kasi from tops pre-order to. But right now, if you go on the website ng tops, sold out na siya. And even though if dito mo yan bibilin, like kita nyo dyan, international yan. So from US to PH, the international shipping fee will be expensive. And if $18 lang yan dito, convert it to peso, plus shipping fee and tax if meron, more or less, mahina na yung 2,000 pesos for you just to get this card. But then again, it's already sold out as you can see there. So, wala na rin bearing kung gagawin or gagamitin natin yung top. So now, be creative. Use the internet. Try to find sellers. So commonly sa eBay, dun kayo makakita ng iba't ibang klase ng items. But international shipping fee will apply. If money doesn't a big matter to you, sa akin kasi as a timawang collector it is. But if you have money, then why not? But international shipping fee will cost you a fortune. So as you can see here, itong LBJ tops, mostly of the sellers is talagang eBay and from US. Meron sa Facebook pero very limited. Mostly auction nyo na lang yan makukuha or makikita. And then, aside from that, kung reseller, ang taas. Lugi kayo. Okay? Pero itong card kasi na to, pag tagal nito, tingin ko, it will cost a fortune. Tataas yung value nito. Plus kung graded, lalo. But, given as a hobby lang, diba? So, try to find a seller is very easy. Like, ayan, carousel. Pero ito, Hong Kong na to eh. So, international shipping fee may still apply. So, mahirap na siyang hanapin ngayon talaga. Luckily, sa Facebook, yung isang nagpa-auction, minessage ko siya and meron pa naman daw siyang isang stock. So, ayan, katransa ko na siya kanina. He is Carl Chu. So, dikit pa naman sa SRP yung price and nung sinend niya yung video nung card, makinis na makinis pa naman. I don't know the glass or the container kasi made of glass yan eh. So, madikitan niya ng kahit konting cards or hard surface materials, magkaka-scratches din yan. But the important is the card naman sa loob. Lalo na kung ipapagrade mo yan. So, nakausap ko na siya. Hopefully, hindi tayo ma-scam kasi bayad na yun. Balitahan ko na lang kayo kung nakuha ko yung card ng maayos or hindi, or totally hindi ko siya nakuha. But, I think credible naman yan si Sir Card. So, ayun. The tip that I will be having for you guys that's starting a hobby, money is the main priority here. Most of the collectors, we need money. So, kung mayaman kayo, good on you. But if you're the likes of me, that budget's really tight, so you need to be wise, you need to be careful, you need to be creative finding these gems. Kasi Maraming seller, iba't iba yung prices nila. And of course, the seller. Yung seller talaga yung medyo mahirap din dito aside from the price. Kasi pag na-scam ka, sayang yung budget, di ba? Even though marami kang pera, makakapanghinayang pa rin. Lalo na kung kagaya kita na wala masyadong pera. So pag na-scam ka, talagang awit yun. So ayun lang guys, na-share ko lang. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Kung may question kayo, drop the comment below. I will more than happy to answer, create a video towards that. So start a hobby, it's very fun. Then pwede nyo rin yung ibenta and at the same time, stress reliever.